Electoral Registration Officer, Section 13B of RP Act 1950. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of Commission. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the provision of staff to the Commission by government and power conferred to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. They will also be able to explain the Section 13B of the RP Act 1950. Provisions in the Constitution. Article 324 of the Constitution is about superintendence, direction and control of election vested in a commission, that is Election Commission of India. Its point 1 says, preparation of electoral roll and conduct of election will be done by the Election Commission. Point 6 is about President and Governor to provide staff for functions conferred on the Commission. Article 327 is about power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for the House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted two RP Act, that is RP Act 1950 and RP Act 1951. Part 2A of RP Act 1950 is about officers, and Section 13B comes under the Part 2A. Part 2A deals with the appointment of various officers who shall deal with the electoral roll and also about their deemed deputation to the Commission. Section 13B, Electoral Registration Officers. Its subsection 1 says, the electoral roll will be prepared and updated by an electoral registration officer. This officer will be chosen by the Commission in consultation with the state government and can be government official or someone from a local authority. Subsection 2 is about an electoral registration officer may employ such persons as he thinks fit for the preparation and revision of electoral roll. So the BLOs and supervisors are appointed by an ERO under this subsection, that is subsection 13B2. So the Article 324 of the Constitution talks about the Election Commission of India, preparation and revision of electoral roll, and employees to be provided to the Commission. And Article 327 has given power to the Parliament to frame laws related to the election. So because of this, the Parliament has framed the RP Act 1950. And the Section 13B of RP Act 1950 talks about the Electoral Registration Officer. Though the overall superintendent direction and control of the preparation of electoral rolls vested under the Constitution in the Election Commission, it is the Electoral Registration Officer of the constituency who is responsible under the law for the preparation and revision of electoral roll for the constituency. Even if an ERO is assigning the function of disposal of claims and objections to AEROs in accordance with Section 13C of RP Act 1950, then also such delegation of powers to AEROs shall not absolve the ERO of his responsibility of ensuring a defect-free electoral roll. BLOs and supervisors are appointed by an ERO under the Section 13B2. BLOs are appointed as an instrument for collecting actual field information with regard to electoral roll corresponding to a polling station assigned to him or her. Supervisors are appointed to supervise the functions of BLOs. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to stay updated. In this educational video, we have learned about the Section 13B of RP Act 1950, which is about the Electoral Registration Officer. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.